You have been doing shadowing to improve your English. Stop. Not forever, but stop for a moment and listen carefully. Because there is a very real chance you are doing it wrong. And if you are doing it wrong, you are not just wasting your time, you are actually slowing your progress. Think about this. Have you ever practiced for days, maybe weeks, and still, when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank? You hesitate, you overthink, and nothing comes out. You start asking yourself, why is this not working? Why am I still stuck? Stay with me. Don't skip this. Because today, everything changes. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what most people get wrong about shadowing and what you need to do to actually start speaking. No confusion, no complicated rules. Just simple steps that actually work. And listen, shadowing is powerful. It works. But only when you do it the right way. So before you continue, ask yourself one question. Are you practicing or are you just repeating? Let's fix that right now. You might be uncomfortable. I know. You don't like listening to your own voice. Most people don't. But listen carefully. This is where your real progress starts. If you never hear yourself, you will never know what is wrong. You might think you sound natural, but when you listen back, you notice something different. Your rhythm is off. Your words are not clear. Your stress is in the wrong place. And if you cannot hear it, you cannot fix it. So what should you do? Record yourself. Not every day, not for hours. Just a short clip, once or twice a week. Do it this week. Don't avoid it. Record one sentence, then listen. Ask yourself, does this sound natural? You only need to notice two small things. That's it. This small habit can change your speaking faster than you think. Stay with me, because the next mistake is why people still freeze in real conversations. Mistake number 5. You practice, but you never use English in real life. You do shadowing every day. You repeat perfectly. You feel confident here. But then someone asks you something, and your mind goes blank. Why? Because practice is not real speaking. Shadowing helps your pronunciation, your rhythm, your flow, but it does not train you to think fast, to respond, to handle real situations. If you only practice and never speak, you will stay stuck. So what should you do? Speak, even if it feels uncomfortable. Talk to yourself. Say simple things. I am tired. I am hungry. I need a break. Record voice notes. Leave comments in English. Speak, even when it feels slow. Speak, even when you are unsure. Because if you wait for perfect, you will never start. Now listen carefully. This is what good shadowing really looks like. You choose easy content. You understand most of it. You listen first, without speaking. Then you repeat, short sentences, 2 or 3 lines at a time. You match the speed, the rhythm, the feeling. You record yourself sometimes, and you keep it short, but focused. That's it. That is the whole method. Simple, but powerful. So why are most people not improving? Because they skip steps. They rush. They ignore the process. And then they say, shadowing doesn't work. But now you know the truth. And that changes everything. If you were doing it wrong before, that's okay. Now you can fix it. Start today. Make one small change. Choose easier content. Or listen first. Or record yourself. Just one step. One step can change your speaking. Don't go back to old habits. Stay consistent, because the person who keeps going always improves. Now tell me, which mistake were you making? Be honest. Write it in the comments. You are not alone, and your answer might help someone else. If this helped you, subscribe to Fluent Core English, because here we don't just learn English, we actually speak. And next, we go deeper. We will train your brain to think in English without translating. And this time, you won't freeze. See you in the next session.